So I am super excited to announce a free download that I have available on my website, link down below in the description. A while ago, I was asked, is there such a chart or something that shows, whether you need an oxygen absorber or whether you don't need an oxygen absorber, and like whether to put it in a Mylar bag or vacuum seal or whatever. And I was like, you know what? I've never seen one. And so I decided to make a chart with the help of my friend Melanie, who is mentioned here. Definitely go check out her Instagram. She talks about a lot of good stuff. But I we put together this chart to just basically show you, like, okay, salt, it it does not need an oxygen absorber, and it can go in a Mylar bag or a vacuum seal bag, or if you want, you could put a silica packet in it. And I also decided to add the shelf life to it, and I erred on the side of caution with some of this stuff. Like, here, I'll show you. Whoops, there's 2 pages. Oh my gosh. Okay, so like I erred on the side of caution, like pancake mix. It has some pancake mixes have certain ingredients in it that don't do well with an oxygen absorber, excuse me. So I said no oxygen absorber. And then this one, I said 2 years because of some of the stuff that's in pancake mixes. Now, if you have personal experience with some of this stuff and you're like, I know that, pancake mix lasts much longer, great, store it for however long you want. But I've erred on the side of caution with these. And in most cases, just rotate often. On the second page, you'll see the tips. In general, I err on the side of caution. I said that 300 cc oxygen absorbers, and I've told you like that how much oxygen absorbers for certain things. And then some general storage tips, rotate shorter shelf life foods such as ground flour, nuts, stuff like that. But yeah, so anyway, this is available for free to download at my website. Just head to my website at the link down below in the description and download it. Share it with your friends, share it with everybody so that they can have this information as well. And this is just for like dried foods that you might put in vacuum sealed bags or Mylar bags and stuff like that. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Download it in the link down below in the description. I'll talk to you all later. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today.